Kick, push, be your epic self. Frank Morrison. Meet Ivan, the kick-flipping big rail king. He's been grinding the streets with moves so big, his friends call him epic. A new day in a new neighborhood. No sweat. These streets might be different, but Epic's tricks are the same. Kick, push, swish. He's off to find a new crew. Fresh off a backside flip, kick, push, fakie. Landed it. Kick, push, flip. Epic tray flipped past the comic shop. Then kick, push, plop. What's the point of gnarly tricks without compadres to cheer 'em? Why be epic if no one can see? What's going on, Epic? Dad wants to know. Throwing down psycho big tricks without buddies is whack, Epic says. This board isn't getting me anywhere. You never landed a new trick on the first try. Keep an open mind and you'll meet new friends. Kick, push, good night. Epic dragged himself to bed, then counted backside flips to fall asleep. Bright and cheerful, Epic decided to try fitting in with the neighborhood kids. First, he tried football. Ouch! Soccer was just as painful. Ow! Basketball was slamming, but not in a good way. Help! Defeated and dazed, confused and drenched, Epic was not feeling it. Epic told his parents about one painful moment after another. Sugar, how about you run down to the bodega and treat yourself, said Mama. How about one more ride, King? Asked his dad. You'll need this. Epic flew past Dad, flipped his board on the banister, slid down to the sidewalk, then disappeared down the block. Kick, push, kick. He did a backside fakie on the fire hydrant. Kick, push, flip. Landed it. Epic wove in and out of a sidewalk pickup game. Bounce, ka-clunk, bounce, ka-clunk. Kick, push, swoosh. Epic shimmied past Tiff's house, kick flipping, while the girls did their sidestepping. Kick, push, whoosh. With the bodega in sight, Epic spotted a rail bigger than any he'd ever attempted. Kick, push, clang. He mungo-footed, then flipped into a switch stance. Took a breath and screeched across the stairs into a 50-50 grind to the bottom, landing in front of the B-Fly barbershop. Like I said, no sweat. Epic hopped inside the bodega and grabbed his favorite snack. Are those your friends? Asked the clerk. Sick moves, bro. We saw you. We feel you. Let's get a session on, said Epic. Kick, push, kick. Away they went. Back home, they started up a gnarly game of skate. Back and forth they went until the sun went down. New neighborhood, new crew, and even some sweet new tricks. No doubt. Being you is pretty epic.